In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Enroll students number in Tutorlms. If you're using Tutorlms to manage your courses on WordPress, you might want to keep some information under wraps, like the number of students enrolled in a particular course. This can be useful if you're still building up your course enrollments and want to focus more on the quality and content of your offerings rather than the current enrollment stats. So, let me guide you through this simple process of disabling the enrollment count. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll find various options and plugin settings along the side menu. Tutorlms is your target here, so go ahead and locate it. Click on Tutorlms, which will bring up a further set of options related to this particular plugin. After clicking on Tutorlms, you're going to head on over to the settings. You'll notice several tabs designed to help you customize various aspects of your LMS. The Settings section is particularly useful because it contains all sorts of configurable options that define how Tutorlms operates on your website. Once you're on the Settings page, shift your attention to the Design tab. This is where you can tweak the visual elements of your LMS environment, ensuring that everything looks just the way you want. Design often includes options related to what information is displayed to users, so it's quite handy in our particular task. Now, within the Design tab, you need to find the option named Course Total Enrolled. This setting directly controls the visibility of the student enrollment numbers across your courses. By default, this option might be set to show the total number of enrolled students on each course page. However, to keep that number private or simply tidy up the appearance of your course details, you wish to turn this off. So, to actually disable it, you'll need to toggle the Course Total Enrolled option to off. It's quite straightforward. You're looking for a switch, often designed as a slider or a checkbox depending on your current theme or version. When you toggle this setting off, it effectively hides the student enrollment count on all your course pages. Once you have flipped this switch, take a moment to ensure the setting is saved. Check the top or bottom of the page for a Save Changes button and click it to apply your adjustments. Now, when you or anyone else visits your course page, the enrollment count should no longer be visible. That's it. You've successfully disabled the student enrollment numbers in Tutorlms. This small change can make a big difference in how your content is perceived, keeping the focus on learning and engagement rather than on the numbers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.